The time is 2020, the year is 2020, and that can only mean one thing: Saltire Workshop is back online. Stay tuned and find out more. Hi there guys, Callum here and welcome back to Saltire Workshop. I know it's been ages since I last posted any sort of content, be it on here on YouTube, over on social media, or over on the website blog at saltireworkshop.com. However, my plan for 2020 is to change all that and blow it out of the water. 2019, I had tons of projects planned, however, they simply never materialised. 2020, totally different. Aiming for more consistent content, more things getting built, more things getting published, and best of all, more time in the shop. Best thing you can do, subscribe to this channel, ding the wee bell so you can hear when I post the latest video. Don't know how often that'll be, but if you're subscribed and you have notifications switched on, you'll find out whenever that is. All the links to social media and the website are down below in the description, just in the little box down here, or up there if this is 2030 and YouTube's moved it by then. But all the information you need is down there. There's also little cards in one of these corners. I can't remember where it works, but in one of these corners there'll be a little card that'll take you over to the website, saltireworkshop.com. Anyway, plans for 2020, tons. We're already middle of March now, so the year is fast disappearing. However, lots of things will be happening, so subscribe to the channel, find out more. Might even include an exclusive look at the new logo on the new caps. Callum, saltireworkshop.com. We're back, baby.